A Houston County infant has died from COVID-19, making him the youngest to die from the virus in Georgia.
As new variants continue to spread, both parents and pediatricians have some concerns. Kalisha Moore joins us in studio after talking with both.
That's right, Lori. The proof that COVID is far from over is in the numbers, and those numbers show the virus does have an effect on children. A mom and a pediatrician both say they have concerns. Some parents see putting their kids back in schools, taking them to parks, or just a trip to the grocery store as putting them at risk for COVID-19. Jane Marie McKinney says she used to be one of those parents, but now she worries less.
I think because COVID has been going on for so long, I think my views kind of shift with everything that's going on. So, at first I was really protective.
But she says she got vaccinated and now worries a little less. She has a 5-year-old son and says once her and her husband got the vaccine after having COVID, it helped.
I was a little bit less worried about everything. But then I got a breakthrough case with the vaccine. And so now I'm just kind of like, I don't know what to do.
Recently, Georgia had its first COVID death involving a child less than a year old. Dr. Yasir Al-Kaka with Cornerstone Pediatrics of Warner Robins says those cases are typically seen in children much older.
Majority of the COVID cases are between the children 14 to 17 and 5 to 10. There are cases among the infants and newborns, but most of the cases are asymptomatic.
He says a good layer of protection is masks and vaccines.
The most important thing is for parents and siblings who are at an age where they can get the vaccine should all be vaccinated. Maintain safety precautions, wear a mask, avoid large gatherings.
When it comes to protecting her son, McKinney says she's optimistic, but knows COVID isn't over just yet.
I don't know. I guess I'm feeling a little optimistic, but I know things happen.
Now, Dr. Al-Kaka told me studies have found pregnant women who were vaccinated add a layer of protection to their children. And he said parents should be on the lookout for flu season as well. Back to you, Frank and Lori.
Thank you, Kalisha. State health officials have not identified the infant who died or given any further details, but said the child did have a previous chronic condition that contributed to the death.